Oh, hey, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet
Are you?
you.
Hey, good to meet you.
Yeah.
Call me Edmund.
I'm Tae, nice to meet you.
Hey, great to meet you.
Oh, wow.
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
You have Korean?
Oh, yes, yeah. I'm
Oh,
Korean.
wow.
Yeah.
2020. Yeah, actually, I'm back to Korea tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Hi, nice to meet you.
감사합니다.
Wow.
I know Korean a lot of it.
Welcome. Thank you.
Welcome. Nice to meet you. Play baseball?
A little bit, but
What would you throw? 4 or 2? 4.
10 years ago, I met. Oh, really? Yeah. That's what it is. Oh, wow.
Good luck.